Google just dropped something, and I don't think people realize what this actually means yet. What if your Google apps could just do the work for you? Not answer a question, actually do the work while your laptop sits closed on the desk. Most people have no idea this thing even exists right now. And the few who do already know they've got an edge on everyone else. This is Gemini Spark, and today I'm breaking down exactly what it does and why it's a much bigger deal than people are treating it. I am the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So let's start with the basics. Gemini Spark is Google's new personal AI agent, and Google showed it off at their big I/O event this year. Here's the part that actually matters. A normal chatbot just waits for you to type something. You ask a question, it gives you an answer, and that's the end of it. Spark is built completely differently. You give it a job, and it goes and actually does that job. It works in the background all day and all night, and it keeps going even if your phone and your laptop are both turned off. It runs on Google's newest fast model, so it moves quick, but it's built to check in with you before it does anything major. It's not out here making big decisions behind your back. It's working under your direction the whole time. Now, here's how Spark actually thinks, because this part is genuinely clever. It runs on 3 simple pieces: tasks, skills, and schedules. Think of them as the what, the how, and the when. A task is the what, it's your big goal. Something like plan and manage my whole trip to another country. That sounds like one simple task, but really it's a bunch of smaller steps stitched together, and Spark handles every single one of those steps for you. A skill is the how. This is a set of saved instructions you write one time. It teaches Spark exactly how you like things done, and then you can call that skill anytime with a quick command, and Spark does it your way every single time without you having to explain yourself. All over again. No more typing out the same long prompt over and over like you're stuck on repeat. The third piece is the schedule, and this is where it actually gets fun. A schedule is a trigger. You tell Spark to run a task at a set time, like every single morning, or you tell it to run the second something happens, like when a certain email lands in your inbox. So the work runs completely on autopilot. You're not sitting there pushing a button every time you need something done, it just happens on its own in the background. Put all 3 of those pieces together: tasks, skills, and schedules, and you've basically built yourself a real assistant that works while you're doing literally anything else. Now, let's talk about what Spark can actually touch, because this is bigger than most people realize. Out of the box, it connects to your Google Apps, things like Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Maps. These are switched off by default, so you go into Settings and turn on the ones you actually want it using, which means you stay fully in control of what it can see. But Google didn't stop at their own apps. Spark also plugs into outside apps now too, things like Canva, Dropbox, and even booking and shopping tools. So it can design something in Canva, pull files out of Dropbox, or handle a booking for you, all based on your instructions. And for anyone who's more technical, it also supports something called MCP, which basically lets you wire in even more of your own tools on top of what's already built in. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. There's also a desktop version now, and this one's a real step forward. Spark can move out of the chat box completely and start working right across the actual files on your computer. Say your downloads folder is a total disaster. You could ask Spark to sort every single file into the right folder for you, and hours of boring clicking are gone with one command. It only touches the files you specifically give it permission to touch, so nothing happens behind your back. Here's the part that genuinely stopped me when I first read about it. Spark can actually go out onto the open web and do things for you. It works through a remote browser, which is basically a browser running on Google's own servers instead of your device. So Spark can open a website, click around, fill out forms, and even add things to a cart completely on its own. You're not watching it take over your screen, it's off doing all of that somewhere else while you get on with your actual day. And you're never locked out of it either. If Spark hits a point where it needs you, you can jump in with one tap, handle your part, and hand control straight back to it. Now, a couple of honest limits here, because I don't want you thinking this is unlimited. Spark lets you run a set number of tasks at the same time, and you can only have so many active schedules going at once. That's plenty for most people starting out, but it's worth knowing before you jump in. It's also currently limited to certain Google Plan members, and it's still rolling out region by region. So if you don't have access yet, that's completely normal. It's coming. Here's the part I really want you to think about. Most people are going to use something like this, like a fancy chatbot, and just stop right there. But the second you actually put your tasks on a schedule and let them run completely on their own, that's the moment it stops feeling like a tool and starts feeling like an actual teammate working alongside you. That's the real shift happening in AI right now, and it's moving fast. Google is putting real working agents directly into tools millions of people already use every day. This isn't some experimental lab demo anymore. It's sitting right there in apps you already have open. The people who figure out how to actually put this to work instead of just scrolling past the headline are going to be operating on a completely different level within the next few months. If you want more breakdowns like this one, where I cut through the noise and just tell you what actually matters in AI, hit subscribe because there's a lot more coming. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.